Hey guys, it's Cheese. You okay? Hello and what's up, fellow game developers and Unity enthusiasts? Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some major news straight from Unity headquarters. They've just dropped a bombshell announcement about some huge changes to their pricing and plans, and it's got the entire gaming community buzzing about it. So if you're a Unity user or thinking about diving into game development, you definitely want to stick around for this one. Let's dive right in. The first and big headline here is the introduction of Unity runtime fee set to kick in on January 1st, 2024. But what exactly is this Unity runtime fee? Well, Unity is going to make developers pay a fee each time a player installs their game runtime. This fee is connected to Unity's runtime, which is like the behind the scene magic that makes Unity games run on various platforms. It is essential, and now you'll be paying for it. Even games that have already been released are not safe from this. Yup guys, it's retroactive. But here's the twist: Unity have chosen to go with an initial installment based fee rather than a revenue share model. This means that paid developers will have to pay based on the number of times their game is downloaded. Unity argues that this way creators can keep more of their earnings from player engagement, which might sound like a good thing, but is definitely a significant change. Now, not every game rather will be affected by this fee. There are specific criteria that your game has to meet. First, it needs to have generated a minimum revenue in the last 12 months, and second, it has to reach a minimum lifetime install count. These thresholds are pretty high to avoid impacting smaller developers who are still trying to find their audience. For Unity Personal and Unity Plus users, your game must have made $200 or more in the last year and have at least 200 lifetime games installed. If you're rocking Unity Pro or Unity Enterprise, your game must have pulled in a whopping $1 million or more in the last 12 months, along with at least 1 million lifetime game installs. Now you might be wondering about the dollar amount of this fee. Unity have been a bit coy about that. They haven't given us the exact number yet, but which have left some folks scratching their heads. The method for tracking this runtime installment is also a bit murky. It's going to involve analytics, app store data, self-report, and possibly even application communication back to Unity. This has raised concern about privacy and transparency, and it's definitely a topic we'll be keeping an eye on. Alright, let's shift gear a bit and talk about changes to Unity's subscription plan. Good news for Unity personal users just like myself. I'm too cheap to get the paid version. And still is staying free, and that's $100 annual revenue limit. While it's going away on January 1st, 2024. So if you're just starting out, this is a fantastic news for you, but there's more. Starting in November, Unity personal users will get a new and improved sign-in and online user experience. You will need to be signed in with your Unity ID and connected to the internet to use Unity. Don't worry though, if your internet goes down, you'll still be able to use Unity for up to 3 days offline. So some changes coming, but they seem aimed at enhancing the overall user experience. And that's not all for Unity personal. In November, new and existing users will gain access to some exciting new features. Unity Assets Manager with a whopping 10 gig of storage, non-card web viewer, asset versioning, integration with Unity version control, Unity DevOps with 3 seats, 5 gig of storage, 200 Windows build minutes, and if you need more additional seat storage and build minutes, will be available for an extra fee. Some team administration tools with base role like owners, managers, users, and guests, plus financial roles. And last but not the least, Unity Centers, which allows you to embed AI models in the Unity runtime without the headache of additional cloud computing cost or network latency. Pretty good, right? Alright guys, so there you have it folks. Unity new price and plans changes are shaking up the game development world. The Unity runtime fee and threshold and the changes to their subscription plan are all hot topics in the community right now. Some developers are excited about new features while others are concerned about the potential cost. As always, stay tuned to our channel for update and let us know the comment below what you think about these changes. It is a game changer or a game breaker for you. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video.